Oh, Nyamiye. Oh, Nyamiye. Oh, Nyamiye. Ampara. Oh, Nyamiye. Good morning, people of God. This morning I'm happy to come to you with Hallelujah from heaven. Let's ponder over Psalm 46 verse 1. It says, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. And as we go through the day, let's keep that in mind, that God is there for us. Let's have a fruitful day. See you after work. Bye-bye. Hallelujah from heaven. Oh, Nyamiye, Ampara, Ampara, oh, Nyamiye, Jesus, oh, Nyamiye, Ampara, oh, Nyamiye.